Look at all that swinging. She's trying to eat it?
She's licking it.
Nothing like
It's
a big...
like the Christmas story when he licked the pole and his tongue got stuck.
Yeah, we'll bring him out here on a cold morning if they get out of line.
No.
It's tasty. Swings are...
No, don't lick that. There's lots of kids. No. I don't like that.
It's eat the swing time.
No.
Woo.
Can you hold her for a second? Let me get
Sure.
her toy.
There's Grace. Hi, little Grace. Jason can see what you're up to as well. Say hi. Hi, Jason. Oh, Grace. Oh, hey, let's not eat the
Brett would
bowl.
be like, oh, it's okay. Here, no. Here, there you go.
Oh, you checking out the ladies, Eric?
Remedy. Well, that was fast.
Say hey, Grace. What's up?
Get your piggies.
Say hey. You work out? No, you're just having fun on your swing, huh? You're just having fun. Oh, what are they up to? Look at all that fun you'll have when you grow up, too.
Don't lick the swing. No.
What are you up to, Mr. Swinging Man?
No. Put my hand there. No. You are determined, huh?
Hey. What's that?
Eric, no.
It's tasty.
Swing licker.
Yeah, guess we'll bring some swing wipe down wipes or something
I
next
know.
time. Oops.
Good lesson, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Woo! Look at you go! Oh, that kind of scares Mommy, but it looks like you're having a good time.
Whoa. No.
Good grief. That is kind of scary when he gets high. You can just lean right forward and fall out. Jason will be laughing at me when oh, look at you come up here. Woo! This is a funny shot. Hey, say hi, Dad. I'm swinging.